Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with another Tesla-tunity, and today we're going to talk about the air inlet on your Tesla Model 3. I've got a product here from Bouge RV. You might remember them. They did the affordable all-weather floor mats for us, including the giveaway, so really great stuff. They sent me this, and full disclosure, this product was sent to me for free. So we're going to install this on my car, check it out, I'll give you some impressions, and I'll tell you if I think you really need this thing. So come along with me and check it out. All right, so before we jump in and take a look at that air inlet cover, who wants a giveaway? Why not? I've had some good luck recently. Check it out. 3 Tesla Model 3 Hot Wheels in white. I seem to be finding these things all over the place, so my good luck is now going to be passed on to you. All you have to do if you're interested in winning one of these 3 is leave a comment down below, like this video, and of course subscribe to the channel. We'll let this run for about a week and then I'll announce a winner in the comments down below. So good luck everyone, and hopefully you win one of these. As you know, with all cars, leaves are always getting under the hood and down into the engine bay. In our case, obviously we don't have an engine bay, but what do we have? We've got a cover that goes right over where the air inlet is. As you can see, it has horizontal grates. Now, unfortunately, that's a little bit of a design flaw because those grates allow leaves to fall right through. So let's go ahead and do something about that. Let's go ahead and snap that cover off. You just use a little bit of force, start in the corners, and then you can work your way into the middle. It just kind of lifts right out of place. And now let's get you in for a closer look. So you can kind of see that there are some leaves actually in there. I was a bit surprised to see that myself. And it is borderline impossible, at least with my size hand, to get it in there and get to the leaves. So we're gonna snap this next cover off. You can see the white clips. It's really easy as well to lift this right out of place without breaking anything. Just be really careful. Of course, the clips are plastic. So again, you can kind of see the leaves there, but let me go ahead and grab the GoPro and we'll get in for a closer look. Yeah, so as you can see, those leaves are absolutely blocking the air inlet. So the more leaves you get, the more blockage, the less airflow, and you'll start to feel that with your air conditioning. You'll see that the car is going to be working harder, making more noise, and supplying less air conditioning over time as that gets blocked more and more. So let's go ahead and we'll remove the leaves, and then we are definitely going to move forward with this product. I absolutely do see a value for it, and we'll go ahead and install it next. Let's give ourselves a good surface to work on. I'm going to go ahead and put that air inlet back in place with the white clips. Now, remove the tape covering the adhesive all around the edges. This is probably the hardest part of the installation. And then go ahead and put the cover into place. You can see it only goes one way. It is form-fitted to this opening. Push down, make sure the adhesive is lined up with plastic parts, and that's it, you're done. You can see with the grating in place, leaves will no longer get in. Just open up your frunk every so often and make sure you clear off the leaves that might rest on top of this cover. To install the cover back into place, just kind of rest it where it goes and then tap down with a little bit of force over each of the clip locations. So that's 2 thumbs up for me. Another great product from Bouge RV. And if you're interested in picking one up for your Model 3, you can click on the link in the description down below. I'll take you right to Amazon where you can pick up the product and have it shipped to you with Prime shipping. Well, that's all I have for you on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.